Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, bed utility package, and the mobile office package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, we got the backup camera. We do get a Pro Access tailgate with this vehicle as well, with a tough bed and spray liner, lights, hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down, 120 volt outlet, all that fun. Got measurements on the tailgate, and it is powered as well. And let's just say you're holding a lot of gear in your hand and you want to lift up your gate. All you have to do, knee it up, and it will go up automatically. You do got mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platform running board, side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection. You got lights, side view camera, mud flaps on the front, a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the vehicle on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this black leather interior. It's perforated, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, flat fold storage system, carpet interior, floor mats. You got a split folding rear seat. You do get cup holders over there, cup holders here, heated seats, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, and 120 volt. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw on the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop, auto start. We got spotlights on your mirrors, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 21.5 kilometers. We have this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle your screen, phone and media, volume mute, or voice, and your cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, oh, what am I doing here? Audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Interesting. And to my right, we have our gear select. You got your speeds, collapsible storage cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB, USB-C, and does close. You got that leather wrap center console that does turn into your interior work surface. You can put a laptop here or your meal, whatever you really prefer. And you do get tons of storage underneath. Rear locking disc, 4-wheel drive, and drive mounts, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated and cooled front seats. There's that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here with some extra phone. We do get our powered rear window opener as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, and we do get BLUECRUISE with this vehicle, which is Ford self-driving. We got our park assist right here. Clicking here, we do get a 360 view of our vehicle as well. Hazards and traction. Looking here, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone connectivities, navigation, and fave apps such as messaging, email, power tailgate, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz, or any apps you may download will show up here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your regular settings, personal profiles, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA67352, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call if interested.